This isn't real FPS anymore. Nvidia new AI technology is literally generating fake frames while you play. It's called multi-frame generation, and the new 6x mode can create up to 5 AI generated frames for every real one. So your game might actually be running at 60 FPS, but your screen shows over 300. And honestly, it looks terrifying smooth. Some gamers are calling these fake frames. The GPU is basically predicting what the next frame showed will look like. By the way, game is slowly becoming AI generated. Subscribe for more tech trivia.